another 20% for audience impact. A total of 100%.
Alright, I think our little patricians are now ready for the cultural parade. Let us all welcome our cute and lovely patricians in their cultural dresses.
Let us clap our hand for Grade 1 Marine.
Before. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
To our little Asian from Grade 1, we now go down this stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karen Gabriel C. Lopez from Grade 1. I'm representing the continent of
Wala ako ng iba.
To our ever supportive school president, Mrs. Sari E. Cruz.
To our Director of Administration, Mr. Peter Cruz.
To our senior consultant, Dr. Susie Yala.
To our Director of Academics, Dr. Dari Dakanay.
To our school principal, Mrs. Janet F. Kadapan.
And to our Vice Principal in Grade School Department, Mrs. Shamar Kahinasayan.
To our Vice Principal in Junior High School Department, Ms. Laura Marie Achondo.
And to our Vice Principal in Senior High School Department, Ms. Helen Lopez.
And to all our teachers, to our beloved students and parents here at the new SBS gym, and to all our live viewers in the SBS Facebook page,
Wishing you a day full of sunny smiles and happy thoughts. Good morning, patricians. Good morning, Teacher David.
good morning, Teacher Jessica. You know what, Teacher Jessica? Time really is flying.